Guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to post highlights on Instagram without posting on story, okay, on your story. So guys, let's proceed. So now first and foremost, I need to open your Instagram app. So now you need to open your Instagram app. So after opening your app, let's wait for the app to open. So now as you can see on your bottom of your screen, you see your profile icon, okay, at the bottom right hand. Tap on it. So after tapping on it now, you see this three line icon at the top right hand of your screen. Tap on it. So after tapping on this now, tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy now, scroll down and tap on account privacy. So now just private your account, okay, switch to private, then scroll down till you see this hide story and live. Then now hide story and live from. Now select all your contacts, okay, select everyone, let it load, or select everyone, then head back to your story section on Instagram. Post on your, you can now upload your story. Then after uploading your story, after 24 hours you have added to your highlights, you can come back here, then tap on settings and privacy. Then you can head back to account privacy, then you unprivate your account, switch to public, then you come down to your hide story and live, then unhide everyone from seeing your story, okay. So guys, as easy as that, okay. So the reason I also say to private your account is that preventing other users that are not following you from viewing your story which you didn't unhide, and also new followers from viewing the story. So guys, that's how to post highlights on Instagram without adding to your story, okay. So guys, as easy as that. Before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations by the description of this video, okay. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.